Hello friends, how are you? So welcome back to my YouTube channel PC and Windows with another interesting and new video. So hope so you are doing well and enjoying your life. So in this new video I am gonna guide you that which are the essential apps for Windows software if you are using Windows 10, and if you have not installed these apps, you have to and you should install these apps to make the better performance of your device. So without wasting any more time, just start the video. So Windows 10 comes with the basic apps for many purposes, but a lot of the best Windows softwares are not pre-installed in your device. So in this video I have completely guide you the software you should install in your computer or device right away. So just take a look on the video and watch the video till end, and you will be able to find out the most and the mostly useful apps for your Windows 10. So first of all, I have divided these apps in categories. So first of all, you can install the apps or softwares for your device for security purpose. So you can install a firewall or etc. I am not recommended any app, but you can install according to requirement, but you should have to install the apps for your security purposes. Just like that, I have installed firewall etc. or Windows security action needed. So you can install according to your requirement or according to your favor. On the second, you can install image editing apps just like Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom, or any other app according to your requirement or according to your need, but you should have a little image editing app in your device. It will help you a lot, as well as you have also should have also a video editing app to edit your videos in your device. It is the basic need for your device. On the next, you can download the messaging apps for your device, as I have installed the messaging app in my device, and I am guiding you that these apps are not given with your Windows 10 or in your device when you buy a new device. The apps only given are this PC or recycle bin etc. But you have to install all these apps. You can see on my screen that I have installed Excel, PowerPoint or MS Word to work on your device, and they are the essential and most essential apps of your device. So you can install according to your requirement, as I have installed a video editing app Filmora Act my device for video editing. So you can install according to your requirement. Hope so you have understand. If this video helped you a little, just like the video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to check out our other videos about PC settings. Thanks for watching.